Good morning, respected teachers. We are the students of AMD. I am Virisha
And I'm Vedanshi.
We are celebrating the biggest festival of democracy and we have a few queries related to elections.
Dear Aarti ma'am, what do you think the upcoming elections is important for you as a teacher?
See, everyone in the country has a perspective while choosing a leader, and everyone has certain matters. Similarly, as a teacher, we want certain things to bring certain reforms in the education system, as well as we want the economic growth of the teacher.
Thank you for your words, sister.
Dear Arthur, how do you believe voting contributes to a healthy democracy from your perspective as an educator?
So, if you have ever heard that voting, when we are talking about democracy, voting is the first thing and the first feature, free and fair election, and the voting is the first feature of democracy. So, we cannot consider democracy without election and without voting.
Thank you, Arthur ma'am, for your guidance.
Dear Bindu ma'am, in what ways do you think students can learn about the activities, about the importance of voting through classroom discussions and activities related to elections?
Of course, each student can have their own opinion, right? They can learn through various activities like classroom discussions can be taken, debates can be done. Then we can have some charts and all through that. Role plays can be done, mock drills can be done, mock elections can be done. So these are the various ways where the students will get more and more awareness regarding voting.
Thank you so much, Bindu ma'am. That was inspiring.
Thank you so much.
Dear Martin, how do you personally feel that participating in the election process sets a positive example for students in understanding civil duties?
See children, I feel that voting is a fundamental responsibility as well as duty. So I believe that if everyone goes for voting, they are giving their chance of electing a good person for the country, choosing a better representative for the entire world, in front of entire world. So I believe everyone should go for vote and they should take it as a duty for their country.
Thank you, ma'am, for your insightful words.
Dear Bindu ma'am, what role do you think schools and teachers should play in promoting the significance of voting and active participation in the democratic process among students?
Students can be taken, means each and every student in each and every class. Teachers can take their election campaign, how the campaign is done, how the registration of the voting is done. Everything can be taught. Even the newspaper analyzes current events can be analyzed and discussed in the class, as we are having the newspaper also. So through that also we can have lots of practices in the classroom itself. Debates, discussions, role plays, mock elections, everything can be done, and this way we can bring the students into this.
Thank you so much ma'am for your guidance.
Dear Martin, in your opinion, why is it crucial for educators to encourage students to understand the significance of voting in a democratic society?
See, you have been learning about social science from grade 6. You might have learned about your civic responsibilities as a citizen. So, youth is the future of the world. Youth is the future of India. So, if when you grow up, if you know the responsibilities, if you know the duties, I'm sure that when you cast your vote, you are giving your opinion. Whom do you want as the future of India? So, everyone should be aware of voting rights.
Thank you so much.
Dear Daksha ma'am, how do you personally view the relationship between voting and the maintenance of a healthy democracy, especially in the context of your experience as a teacher?
આ બાબતે મારો અનુભવ એવો છે કે આ ભારત એક લોકશાહી ભારતનું સૌથી મોટામાં મોટું પર્વ ગણી શકાય તો એ ચૂંટણી છે અને એ ચૂંટણીમાં મત આપવો એ દરેક નાગરિકની ફરજ છે અને એ મત આપીને આપણે રાષ્ટ્રને ભવિષ્યનો સારો એવો પાયો નાખી શકીએ છીએ અને એ રાષ્ટ્રના પાયા નાખવા માટે દરેક નાગરિકે એમાં ભાગીદાર બનવું જોઈએ. મને ભારતના એક મતદાર તરીકેનો ગર્વ છે.
તમારા અભિપ્રાય આપવા બદલ ધન્યવાદ.
Dear Renu ma'am, what is the significance of manifesto of election? How does it affect voting process?
basically, manifesto is a public declaration of any particular parties that shows their intention, views, or whatever their future plans. So, on the basis of that, being a good citizen of India, we should. We are getting the idea that who would be the best leader. Because it gives the outlining of the political parties, their intention, their view, okay, and their future, whatever goal they have.
Thank you so much.
रेणु मैम, आप शिक्षिका के रूप में बच्चों में सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी का भाव चुनाव के द्वारा कैसे जगा सकते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न पूछा आपने। जैसे मेरे सभी मित्रों ने बताया कि जो भारत हमारा अखंड भारत है, उसका सबसे बड़ा पर्व है चुनाव करना। तो हम लोग बच्चों को प्रेरित कर सकते हैं कि किस तरह से मतदान किए जाते हैं, चुनाव किस तरह से आयोजित किए जाते हैं। हम उनको, जैसे कि बिंदु मैम ने बताया, अलग अलग डिस्कशंस कर सकते हैं। जैसे अभी हमारे गुम के प्राइमरी सेक्शन में भी मतदान करवाया गया था बच्चों से, ताकि वो सारी प्रणाली को समझ सके, और जब वो मतदान देने के योग्य हो, उस समय उन्हें पता हो कि किस तरह से प्रत्याशी अपने एजेंडा को रखते हैं, अपनी पार्टियां अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करती है, कौन सी पार्टी सही है, कौन सा उम्मीदवार सही है, हमें कैसे अपना सही मतदान करने के लिए चुनाव करना है, मतदान करते समय कौन कौन से सावधानियों का पता करना है, रखना है, गलत जगह ना अपना मतदान कर दें। इसके बाद चुनावों के द्वारा जब सरकार बनती है तो वो हमारे सपनों को साकार कर सके, ऐसे सरकार का निर्माण कैसे, तो इतनी वैचारिक क्षमता बच्चों में आ जाएगी। कैसे? जब वो शिक्षकों को देखेंगे इस सब बारे में बात करते हुए, और अपने अभिभावकों को देखेंगे अपना नियमित मतदान करते हुए। हर एक मतदान जितना महत्वपूर्ण है, उतना ही विचार महत्वपूर्ण है कि हमें मतदान करने जाना है।
धन्यवाद रेणु मैम, आपके विचार साझा करने के लिए। We are very thankful to you for sparing your time, precious time. It was an enlightening session. We have been motivated to spread the awareness regarding the importance of participating in the elections. Thank you.
Thank you.